I'm going to demonstrate here that how to do post-training quantization if we have our model ready. So I have model ready at model.h5. I'm going to load it and convert it into TensorFlow Lite model. When we check the input and output data types, they are still float 32. So we need to convert them into unsigned integer 8 or integer 8. To fully quantize a model, we would require a representative data set. So this is the base path of the data set. I'm using 100 images randomly from my dataset and converting them into tensors. Just make sure that you're using the same size of the images as you did while training the model. Then we convert the full model to TensorFlow Lite model, make it enable it for the quantization, give it the representative dataset, and make sure that every operation is can be quantized to unsigned integer 8. If any operation is not compatible for quantization, this is going to throw an error. Then we need to explicitly tell that only unsigned integer 8 data types are supported and set the input and output data types to unsigned integer 8. Logically, this should work, but due to some reason, I still have the input and output data types as float32. If you're having this similar problem, we need to use version 1 compatibility. So all we need to do is change a single line. This is going to make sure that our model is compatible with a version 1 of TensorFlow. And when we did a similar thing, we get the input and output data types as unsigned integer 8. Then we can save our model. And the next step is to compile our model on the Edge TPU. I have downloaded the model from the Google Colab. All we need to do is firstly install the Edge TPU compiler. On Linux, we can simply do sudo apt-get install Edge TPU compiler. Edge TPU compiler is already installed on my system, so it's not going to take long, but initially it might take a bit longer than this. When it is finished installing, we need to convert our model for the Edge TPU. To convert the 8-bit quantized model to Edge TPU version, all we need to write is Edge TPU compiler and model name. The converted model will be stored as model name underscore Edge TPU by default. The converted model can be used on the Edge TPU directly, Google Coral in our case. All the files and resources for this project are available on the Gumsix GitHub. Thank you so much for watching.